Hello traders, this is Day Trader Matt with businesswithtrading.com doing an E-mini trading room recap for the 17th of January, Friday, and today was another great day in the markets. Basically opened up in line here, a little bit of consolidation and a drop, and then basically a grind higher the entire morning. Today we had one trade and we pulled 3.25 points out of the market. Our first trade, or our only trade, was a short right over here, and we were able to ride that down quite a bit and taking profit right over here. Afterwards it did go down a little more and started coming up. Looked at first like it was maybe going to turn into another short, but then it kind of got convoluted and kept moving higher. So we just kind of watched it the entire morning and to see what was going to set up. I didn't really see too much that I really liked. So I just decided to remain on the sidelines. We already had 3.25 points. So we had a great first trade, and it just turned into the only trade of the day. I just didn't really see much happening. And that's one thing about having the correct mental temperament as far as when you're trading, being able to wait and basically diagnose the situation. And if there are no setups, just remaining on the sidelines and waiting. And that's basically what we did. We made one trade, lasted 10-15 minutes, something like that. And then afterwards, just kind of watched and sat on our hands the rest of the day. And I know a lot of people don't like to do that. And my style of trading, I would rather make money than look good. I see a lot of new traders. They want to look good. They want to impress their friends. I trade so much that I get a volume discount, or something like that. I've heard that. And it's not really impressive unless you are making money. So for me, I don't really make that many trades. I would rather wait and make a little money here and there than just make a ton of trades and end up close to break even or maybe negative. I've met a few people many years ago. They used to be able to trade a lot of volume and make money. Nowadays the market isn't really conducive to that anymore. But anyway, hopefully you got something out of what I was talking about there. Hopefully it did make a little bit of sense to you. And you have to know your own style and have your own temperament. What do you like to do? Do you have to make 5 trades before 10 o'clock, from 9:30 to 10 o'clock? Or can you make 5 trades in an entire week and be happy? What do you like to do? And that's one reason why I started my a coaching program. Just because, there are people that like to day trade, but they don't necessarily like my style of day trading. And that's perfectly fine, because not every trader is going to trade the same way. There's a lot of different ways to trade to make money, and that's the beauty of trading. You don't have to have one single style. Everybody can have a different style and still make money. And that makes trading awesome. That makes it fun. There's always something different to learn. The market's always changing, and it's fun for me. I really do love it. But anyway, not to make this video too long, hopefully you got something out of what I was talking about, made a little bit of sense to you. With that, have an awesome day, enjoy your weekends, have an awesome weekend, and I'll see you back here next week in the markets. Thank you.